Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome back to the series of how to use programming in automation. So as part of this series today I am going to show you how to use string concepts in automation. Okay. So strings are very important in automation. So a string is a sequence of characters. Okay, a string is a sequence of characters or set of characters. It can contain letters, numbers, symbols, or even spaces. Example: name, email address, page title, status messages on a web page. These are all examples of strings. Okay. So when we work with Playwright or any automation tool, we come across strings all the time, like reading a text from the element, entering a value into the field, or verifying some content on the page. Correct? So to do this, we need string methods. Okay. So there are many string methods, but in this video, I will show you the most important and widely used methods. Okay. So the methods are length to lowercase to uppercase, include, starts with, ends with, substring, slice, split, index of, last index of, concat, match, and caret. Okay. So in this video I will show you how to use length method. Okay. So we can say length method is used to count the number of characters in a string. Okay, so I will repeat once again. Length method is used to count the number of characters in a string, and also it is used to count the number of elements in a list or array. Okay, one thing is it used to count the number of characters in a string, and also it is used to count the number of elements in a list or array. So elements in a list of array means we search some product in the e-commerce application and it will give some links, correct? So that is called, to count that we use length method. Okay. So to show you this, I will use two application. One is Orange HRM and Amazon application. So in this application, I will just fetch this text. Okay, I will fetch this text and I will count the number of characters in this text, including the space and this colon symbol. Okay, and in Amazon application, I will search for some product like laptop and I will find the number of links present for this laptop and I will click on the third link. Okay, so let us see both. I've already created a spec file and two test methods. So one is to validate the string length, and second one is to count the number of products on Amazon. Okay, so let us see the first one, Orange HRM. I will take the URL. Okay, so now let us inspect this field, username colon admin, and we will keep that in some variable and we will find the length. Test class, let us take this. There are five matching elements. So we'll say dot first. Okay. Where is the first one? I'm missing something. Okay, this is the first one. So username admin is the first one. Okay. So first one in the sense nth of 1. Okay, so let us take this. We'll say const full text, the variable is equal to await page dot locator, the locator is this, dot nth of 1. So we need the text of it, so dot text content. Okay, okay, so now we want to get the length, and also if the length is greater than we will say 10 characters, then uh, so we'll do the assertion that it should be greater than 10. Okay, so we'll say if full text, it means if the full text is present, this locator is present and it has value, then it will go inside this if loop, and in that first we will print the length. Console.log will say length of username, or length of full text, or username text, colon full text dot length. So this is how we use to get the length of any strings. So we will say full text dot length. So, okay, so now we got the length of it, and we'll do some assertion like expect full text to be greater than, to be greater than 10. Okay, else we will say console.log no username found, or no text found. Save. Okay, okay, so let us execute. So before that, let us print the full text. Console.log full text, and here instead of full text we should say full text dot length, because we are comparing with number. Correct? Okay, full text dot length. So now let us execute. String methods. Okay, I should have given some weight, let us say. So to get the length of string method, we should use dot length method. Okay, it gives the length of the character. So in the Amazon example, I will show you how to get the length of links. So if you think you're learning something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, the test is pass. So here the text is, the full text is username colon admin, and the length of the text is 16. Okay, so as I said, it includes space and symbol also. Okay, okay, so now I'll show you how to count the links of Amazon. Okay, 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 so here in Amazon I will search some product. Okay, so before that, let us inspect. It has ID. Let us check ID. Await page dot locator ash the ID dot fill. I will say laptop. Okay. Okay. Then I want to click on the search button. So we'll take this search button. await page dot locator. I'll remove this double quote dot click. So after clicking, I will give some wait. Await page dot wait for timeout. So I'll wait for 2 seconds. Then I will get the links, count of links. So I'll search laptop. So let us inspect the links. Okay, I clicked on it. Okay, okay, so it has data.cy tag. Let us take F. We'll put it inside square bracket. Okay, so it has 29 matching elements. Okay, let us copy this and keep it in some variable called product links. Okay. Oh, okay. So const prod links is equal to await page dot two double dollars, because here there are more than one matching elements, correct? So there are 29 matching elements. That is what I'm trying to find. So put double dot and the locator. Okay, so this will give me the link. So let us print this. Console.log. So we'll say product links found plus prod links dot length. Prod links dot length. Okay, so now let us put if condition. If the link is present, if any, if we get any result for laptop, then I want to click on the third link. So how to say that? We'll use if condition. If product links dot length, sorry, product links dot length is greater than 0, then so here it should be greater than 0, means at least one link should be present. Okay, so if it is greater than 0, then I want to click on the third one. So prod link of 2. 2 means it will click on the third one. Dot click. Okay, else we will say no product links found. Else console.log no product links found. Okay, okay, so let us save and execute. It's launching Amazon. Okay, so it is okay. So sometimes this happens. I'll close and I'll try to launch again. But this is how we use the concept dot lengths to get the length of the links found for any product in e-commerce application, not only for these things. Okay, for anything, if you want to count the length. Okay, okay, let us try once again. Yeah, it passed. It searched, I guess. In any application, you want to count the number of links of product links or anything. So we use dot length method. Okay, I did not. Okay, try to execute, it will work. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. So in the upcoming videos, I will show you other string methods. Okay, thank you.